Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I am to share how to repair oven. This oven customer has given me to repair. They said when they turn it on it's tripping. Yeah. Then I have checked, then I have found this problem is this is the main cable. Yeah. When I open, then I from inside I have found inside is, see, inside is broken. Yeah, that's why it's tripping. When they turn on and it's trip. Yeah, so it's burned inside, that's why it's stripped. I have changed, but then also I want to show you how to repair oven. Yeah, it's be Fujitsu brand, and not only Fujitsu, any brand. At first, if you see no power, at first just check the power cable. It's normal. This power cable, this live cable, from there it has come here this thermal fuse. Yeah, we have to get it continuity thermal fuse, and from thermal fuse it has gone to the control panel. From control panel, this is the switch. Yeah, this is the temperature. So most of time its problem is temperature switch. If there is no power, temperature switch or thermal fuse. This is the common problem, thermal fuse or temperature switch. And if you see lower level, it's not lower heating element is not heating, or upper heating element is not heating, then can check the switch. Yeah, this is the switch. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So the viewers, and show you after I change the power cable. Yeah, this cable after I change, then let's see how is it. I have turned it on. Yeah, there is power, so alhamdulillah it has been successful. Yeah, this is the temperature. Yeah, so it's working. Yeah, it's working fine. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.